Yaqub from Turkey says that there are nowadays a lot of mixed gyms, and we find sometimes brothers who are practicing, working out there. We find sisters who are wearing the niqab, practicing and working there. So when we talk to them, they say, إِنَّمَا الْأَعْمَالُ بِالنِّيَّاتِ, that deeds are judged by intention. And this is a grave misconception that a lot of the Muslims have due to the whispers of shaitan. They're not breaking the rules, they're just merely bending them. The hadith is totally authentic and correct, that deeds are judged by intention, but you have to govern this hadith with another hadith where the Prophet says, alayhi salatu Man ahdatha fi amrina ma laysa minhu fahuwa rad. Whoever innovates in our religion what's not part of it is rejected. Both together, we come to a good conclusion. So if someone says to me, Sheikh, I'd like to go to the nightclub. I said, why? He says, well, I'd just like to see someone who's alone, maybe invite her to a drink or to dinner, someone who's beautiful, blonde, blue eyes, and chit-chat and invite her to Islam. إِنَّمَا الْأَعْمَالُ بِالنِّيَّاتِ. Verily, deeds are judged by intention, Sheikh. I'm just interested in calling to Islam. Akhi, this is totally prohibited because what you're doing is not part of the religion. It's against the religion. To find a woman wearing niqab and the proper Islamic dress in a mixed gym, working out, maybe being trained by a personal trainer who's a man wearing shorts and like he's 6'4", from Brussels, full of muscles, as they say, and she says, I'm wearing my niqab. But what about what you're looking at? So she says, I'm doing CrossFit. And what do you mean by CrossFit? Don't you have to bend and carry this truck wheel or do this or pull or lay on your stomach or hang, do pull-ups? And people can see your physique, can see your butt, your body shape, your curves, as they say. Even if you're wearing such hijab, being there with the men, does it befit a woman, let alone a niqabi? Does it befit the hadith of the Prophet ﷺ where he said, the best row of men is the first and the worst row of the men is the last? And this is in the masjid. And the worst row of the women is the first and the best row of women is the last. What does this tell you? You have to stay away from men. So if there are no segregated gyms, don't go to such places.